you two. Come here. Hi. Hi. You little guys. Hi. Did you find a toy? Did you find a toy? Come here. He's a good girl. That's a good girl. Hi, cowboy. Hi, cowboy. Come here. Come see me. Come see me. He's a good boy. He's a good boy. Yes, he is. He's a good boy. Bouncy. They're bouncy. Yes, they are. Come here, Velvet. Can't keep up with you. Are y'all being bouncy? Huh? Hi, cowboy. Are y'all guys being bouncy? Huh? Running around like you... Come here. Come here, girls. Come here. Did you find a toy? What you think, cowboy? Where'd you go, Velvet?